The babysitter recorded something my husband prayed I would never see. She saw what I never imagined my own sister would do.
Mr. Carter, I think everyone in this courtroom needs to see this.
Are you absolutely sure you want to continue with this case?
Yes, because I already know exactly how this ends.
She still thinks she can win this? That's actually embarrassing.
He was smiling, like everything already belonged to him.
Your Honor, this case is already clear. There's nothing else.
Actually, there's one thing he forgot I still had.
What exactly are you referring to, ma'am?
The evidence he prayed would never reach this courtroom.
Wait. Where did she even get that from?
Well, this changes everything completely. Mr. Carter, you need to answer these concerns very carefully.
Those accounts have nothing to do with this divorce proceeding.
They appeared shortly before he walked out on our family.
Your Honor, this information was never provided to our legal team.
While he hid money, our children started asking difficult questions.
She's twisting everything because she wants this court against me.
Then explain why everything changed after those accounts suddenly appeared.
Mr. Carter, you need to answer these concerns very carefully.
And the next document explains why he panicked the moment he saw me.
Are you saying someone else was tied to these accounts?
Your Honor, that account wasn't in his name alone, and he knew.
Your Honor, this has nothing to do with our divorce.
Then why did you panic the moment she showed it?
What? There's another person connected to these accounts. You never told me that.
Yes, and it's someone my children trusted without ever suspecting.
You don't understand what this looks like out of context.
This court needs to know exactly who you're referring to.
When I saw that name, everything finally started making sense. Your Honor, the name attached to that account explains everything.
Wait, there's another name on these accounts? Why am I just now hearing about this?
Your Honor, this is irrelevant. My marriage has nothing to do with these names.
It explains exactly why he panicked when I found the records.
You're twisting the facts to make this look worse than it is.
You didn't omit a detail. You lied to your own counsel.
Who were you really trying to protect? Because it wasn't your family.
The moment I saw that name on the transfer, everything clicked. Your Honor, the name on that account is the reason I'm here today.
Mr. Carter, are you telling this court your wife's sister was part of all this?
Yes, Your Honor. The second name on that account was my younger sister, Renee.
Your Honor, it's not what it looks like. There's an explanation.
Mr. Carter, why was your wife's sister tied to these accounts?
She held my hand while helping him hide our future.
You never disclosed her sister was connected to this.
My children called her Aunt Renee and trusted her completely.
Counselor, did you know family members were involved?
No, Your Honor. This was concealed from me as well.
Your Honor, the next statement shows what my younger sister received.
Mrs. Carter, what was your younger sister receiving that your children never did?
Thousands of dollars through secret wire transfers.
Those transfers were loans, Your Honor. Renee was going through a difficult period, and I was only trying to help.
Mr. Carter, why were you secretly funding your wife's younger sister?
Your Honor, she needed help, and I didn't think it was anyone else's business. I never imagined it would be used against me like this.
She received more from him than our children did. While he said there wasn't enough for their school payments, he kept sending money to my younger sister. Your Honor, I'm not the only one who saw what was happening. Our babysitter is here to testify.
Wait, there was someone in that house who saw all of this?
She saw us talking, that's all. She's drawing conclusions from something she doesn't understand.
She brought something she recorded inside our home.
Your Honor, the babysitter recorded something my husband prayed I would never see. She saw what I never imagined my own sister would do.
Let's see what was recorded.
Mr. Carter, I think everyone in this courtroom needs to see this.
If you want to see what the babysitter recorded, subscribe now. The next part reveals everything.
Ms. Kim, put this video on the screen. I believe everyone in this courtroom needs to see it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh my God!
It was a mistake. It should never have happened.
Mr. Carter, does this court seriously expect to believe your wife's sister simply fell into your arms?
While I was in Chicago for work, they were carrying on under my own roof.
I tried to convince myself I hadn't seen what I saw. But then they kissed again, like they'd done it before.
You told me there was nothing physical between you and your wife's sister. I never thought she would find out.
Your Honor, the next message reveals when this relationship truly began.
Mrs. Carter, are you saying this began just after you gave birth?
Yes, Your Honor. Their first messages were sent 2 weeks after our son was born.
Those messages were innocent. She's twisting them into something else.
Mr. Carter, while your wife was recovering, you were messaging her sister?
I was awake with our newborn while they were talking every night.
You never told me this started that early.
She was comforting me by day and texting him by night.
Counsel, were these messages disclosed to you before today?
No, Your Honor. I'm seeing these messages for the first time.
Your Honor, the next message shows what my sister said about me.
Mrs. Carter, what exactly was your sister saying about you?
She told him I was too weak to notice what they were doing.
Those were private messages taken completely out of context.
Mr. Carter, did you allow your wife's sister to ridicule her?
She mocked my body while I was still healing.
You never told me these messages were this personal.
She said I was too exhausted to ever suspect them. My husband told me my body had changed after childbirth, that the stretch marks on my stomach made me less attractive to him.
Counsel, were these messages provided to you before today?
No, Your Honor. I'm hearing these statements for the first time.
Your Honor, the next conversation reveals what they were telling my children.
Mrs. Carter, what were your children told while this was happening?
They were told I was the reason our family was falling apart.
I was trying to protect them from what was happening. Mr. Carter, did you turn your own children against their mother?
My younger sister repeated every lie as if it were truth.
You never told me the children were involved.
My daughter stopped speaking to me for nearly 2 months.
Counsel, were these details disclosed before today?
No, Your Honor. I had no knowledge of this.
Your Honor, and the next email shows what he planned to leave me with.
When children are caught in the middle, the damage can last for years. What would you do if your own children were turned against you? Comment below. Mrs. Carter, what exactly did your husband plan to leave you with?
$11.50, Your Honor, and a house already transferred out of my name. He planned to keep the company, the accounts, and everything else.
She signed those documents voluntarily.
Mr. Carter, did you intend to leave the mother of your children with just $11?
I thought she would be taken care of another way.
He expected me to walk away with nothing and stay silent.
You told me the settlement was fair. Your Honor, The financial exposure here is far greater than I understood.
Your Honor, he still hasn't seen the document that changes everything.
If your own sister took that stand, would you forgive her? Comment below. Counsel, how much of this was not disclosed to you?
Your Honor, significantly more than I was led to believe.
Are you telling the court your client failed to disclose this information to you?
Yes, Your Honor. I was not told about the wire transfers, the messages.
I never thought it would get this far.
And he expected me to walk away with $11.50.
Your Honor, this appears to have been intentional.
Mrs. Carter, do you have any additional witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. My younger sister is outside the courtroom.
Miss Renee Neuville, please come forward and be sworn. If your own sister took that stand, what do you think she would say? Comment below. To watch Renee's testimony and unlock the next episodes, subscribe to Stories Hub by tapping the subscribe button on this page. Never let the people who betray you decide how much you're worth. What would you do if your children were drawn into this?